I'm the Jefferson Parish 4-H agent. We are now on lesson 5, and our lesson today is called Kitchen Conversion. So during the last 2 lessons, of course, we learned about MyPlate, right? And of course, here's an example of what the MyPlate model looks like. And so just as a review, we're going to go through the 5 food groups and identify some examples of foods in each one of the 5 food groups. So here we have vegetables, and we've got a picture here. So I see some lettuce, I see some red pepper, some green pepper, some carrots, and some cucumbers, okay? So what other ones can you think of? All right, next we're gonna think about protein. Think about some examples of protein. So here we have beans, and as I've said in previous lessons, beans are going to be a really important part of your diet if you choose to become vegan or vegetarian, because you've got to get that protein into your diet if you're not eating meats. So we've got the beans. We've got some red meat, we've got some chicken. We also have some lentils, okay? We've got some hard-boiled eggs there, okay? So let's think about some other examples when it comes to fruit. So think about your favorite fruit. Here we have some grapes. Those are my favorites. We have green and red grapes. We've got some apples, green and red. We also have some citrus, which is also going to give you your vitamin C. So let's think about grains, and of course, you should always try to incorporate whole grains into your diet, and these days a lot of products in the store are going to be labeled whole grains if they do have the whole grains. So some examples here are quinoa, which is great, some brown rice, oatmeal, and wheat berries, okay? And then of course we have the dairy, and there's so many ways you can incorporate dairy into your diet. Of course we have milk, we've got some ice cream, and we've got some cheese, and we even have some whipped cream in there. So those are lots of different ways you can get your dairy. And here's some sour cream too, and that's really good, of course, on your baked potatoes. So there's a lot of different ways you can incorporate these examples and your own favorite examples into the 3 meals of every day. So today what we're going to be looking at as well is serving sizes and how to measure things. So we're going to relate the MyPlate and the size of each food group, the serving size of each food group. We will relate the size to cups, half cups, teaspoons, and tablespoons. So of course here, this is 1 cup, okay? And of course, 1 cup can be made from 2 half cups. 1 cup is also equal to 8 ounces. And so this is a liquid measuring cup, and 8 ounces is going to be right here. So that's going to be a cup for you, okay? And there's the 1 right there. And then if you have, of course, a half cup, it's going to measure 4 ounces on your liquid measuring, okay? So there's the difference for you. All right.